Hello guys, my name is Ospa, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can make money online legitimately, even as a beginner or as a freelancer. You can make money legitimately from this ways if you actually follow the process I'm going to be taking you through. Now, the website you are going to make money online is called legit.com, and legit.com is a freelance website like Fiverr and Upwork where you post services and gigs like video editing, photo editing, search engine optimization, and many others. Even web design, post your gigs there, and you get paid for your services. Now, one of the reasons I prefer this website is because Upwork and Fiverr are websites that are saturated with a lot of people posting their gigs. And if you're a newbie, you might not make money at all from Upwork and Fiverr. And that's why I'm bringing this video, so that you use this website called legit.com. They also pay like Upwork. It's just like Upwork. I'm going to take you step by step on how to create your gigs so that you won't make any mistake. To start, let's get into my screen.
Legit platform. Yeah. You type sign up. Then you click on sign up. You put your name. Then you save on the spell. You put your email. You add your username. Now my username, let me say my username is Sid Prosper V Editing. Now I want to be doing video editing in this platform. Now the reason here is so that it will be easy for someone to find you and find what you are offering. Then you put your password here. Then you also put your password, confirm your password. Then after you have confirmed your password, then you type selling, because you are offering services here. Yeah. You're offering services here, so you type selling. Then you type I agree to the terms and conditions of privacy policy. Then you type register. Click on a seat. Then you are now in the platform. Yeah. Then let's set up our gig. Now the next thing to do now is to edit your profile. Now you see this icon, I tap here to edit it. My profile. Click my profile. Then you see it here. Then you change the profile here. Either you put a picture that you are facing the camera directly, or you put a graphic about what you are doing. And click on create new service. Then while you're now, then you tap on this icon, change your picture. You can see here that says choose image. I've uploaded my image. Now you scroll down, you see your time zone. I'm in Nigeria. You choose Lagos, Africa here. Then say I click on Africa, Lagos. So just that you update all your information here. Data state, Nigeria. Then you can add your Facebook. Put your Facebook link here. You can connect your Facebook to this legit platform. You can do all that. Then if you are done, you click on update. Now I don't know, but make sure it's in selling instead of buying. Make sure it's a selling because you are offering service there. You can change this at any time. Make sure it's selling. Like I say, account updated successfully. Now the next thing you need to do now is to click on this account, then you click on seller's profile so that you set up your profile. Now once you're here with the seller's profile, then you type what you want, the details of what you are doing. For you to type these details, if you don't have any idea on typing these details, you go to some people's lead, you go and check. There are some people that are still offering the same service you're offering. You also go there and check on the kind of details they put on their own. Then we purpose it. Don't go and copy the same thing. Then here you also put a long description. You also put yes to put a long description. Yes to just put a short description of your then click on add new page. When you add new page, you tell you language, you put English. And say basic, you put fluent, not native or bilingual, any kind of knowledge, you put fluent. So the people coming to this website are English. Then you can put a video on the introduction of what you are doing. For instance, you can put video on this is what I'm doing, or you can just do a video about what you are doing, or you can just ignore it and click update. Now when you're done with that, you can also set your withdrawal account. How you can withdraw your money. You see it here. Say now you can put the email of your paper. If you have paper account, you can put enter your paper email. Then you can add paper account. Then you can also go for Pioneer. Now Pioneer is an online bank you use to receive international payment from clients. From there, you are good to go. Thank you all for watching this video to the end. If you like this video or you're getting any value from it, please like and follow.